Next question. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees. So it is a obtuse angle triangle. So this is a obtuse angle triangle. Angle Q is 120 degrees. Okay, this is P, this is R. S is a point on the side PR such that angle PQS is 75 degrees. Here, draw a line like this. PS, this angle is 75 degrees. Therefore, what is this angle? 45. Total is 120 degrees. If PQ is equal to 16, this is 16 centimeters, and QR is equal to 15 centimeters, then find QS. We have to find this length QS. Okay. So to find QS, first I want to give a simple concept. Area of this part is equal to total area. Triangle PQS plus triangle QSR is equal to area of triangle PQR. And if two sides and included angle are given, if this is A, this is B, if this is theta, area is nothing but half AB sin theta. Okay, this is the area formula. I want to use this formula. What is area of triangle PQS? Half into PQS, this area, 16 into QS into sin 75 degrees plus area of this part, half into QS into QR into sin 45 degrees is equal to total area of this triangle. Okay, this total is 120 degrees. The area is half into 16 into 15 into sin 120 degrees. PQR area is this one. Area of this part plus area of this part is equal to area of this part. So in all this, I want to take half QS common. This is 16. Sin 75 is equal to sin 75 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 is the formula. Okay, I want to use root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus half QS common. QR, what is QR? 15. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, already you know, is equal to half into 16 into 15 into sin 120, sin 90 plus 30. What is sin 90 plus 30? Which is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So simplify this by cancellation. 2, 4 times cancel. This is equal to, in this case also, I want to consider here these two gets not cancel, I think. Okay. So I want to write this as QS into two ones, I want to 2 8s cancel. QS by 2 into 8 root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is the formula for this, please. Cos 15 is 83 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 2 is there. Denominator is root 2 for all. 8 root 3 plus 8 plus 15. Okay, cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Only 2 gets cancelled. Root 2 is the denominator. Here also root 2 denominator. Is equal to 4 5 is 60 root 3. Just cross multiply, we get QS. Therefore, QS is equal to 2 root 2 into 60. 2 root 2 into 60, 120 root 6 by root 3 into root 2 is root 6. 120 root 6, here is the numerator. The denominator is 15 plus 8 is 23 plus 8 root 3. 23 plus 8 root 3. So this is the answer for QS. Okay, once again listen. This is a triangle. The total angle is 120. Obtuse angle triangle. QS divide the angle into two parts, for 75 and 45 angle. Okay, then we have to find the length of QS, this one. To find this length, area of this part plus area of this part is equal to total area of the triangle. Half into QS into 16 into sin 75, half AB sin theta formula. Half into QS into QR into sin 45 is equal to total area, half into 16 into 15 into sin 120. From this take just QS common and simplify. Here root 3, root 2 are there, that's why the simplification is somewhat lengthy. Okay, here just you have to know the values of sin 75 and sin 45. Sin 75 is nothing but root 3 cos 15, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sin 45 value is 1 by root 2, and sin 120 value is nothing but sin 90 plus 30 cos 30. Okay, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. If you know these are trigonometric values, this problem is easy. Okay, next question. In a triangle ABC, D, E are points on the sides AB, BC respectively such that this is a triangle ABC. Here D is a point on AB. Okay, AD is to BD 9 is to 5. I want to consider this as this 9x 5x because 9 is to 5. AD is to DB is a 9 is to 5. BE is to EC 3 is to 7. Okay, I want to consider here this is 3y is to 7y. 3y 3 is to 7. BE is to EC. The area of triangle ABC is 308. The total area is 308. What is area of triangle DEC? I want to join like this first. Join these two. Okay, and also join these two. They want area of triangle DEC. They want this area. Here to solve this question, if any triangle is given like this, let this be a line which divide in the ratio, for example 3 is to 4. The areas are also in the ratio 3 is to 4, because for these two triangles height is same. This is the height for small triangle as well as this triangle. So if you draw a line segment from a vertex to the opposite side, then the areas ratio is same as the base ratio. Okay, so based on this concept, I want to solve this question. See carefully. The total area of the triangle ABC is, the total area of triangle ABC is 305, 308. Here this line divides 9 into 5 parts, totally 14 parts. 14 parts area is 308. Then what is the area of this part? 9 parts area. This is 5 parts area. Then what is 5 parts area? I want to find the area of this part first. This total triangle, this is the triangle. At this point the base is divided into 9 is to 5. 14 parts area is 308. What is 5 parts area? Use the logic. This is nothing but 14 22 times 14 2s 28 28. 14 2s 22 times 5 into 22 is equal to 110. So therefore area of triangle DBC area is equal to 110 square units. First, again consider this triangle area is 110. So I want to draw like this. Here this total area is 110. This is divided into 3 is to 7 parts. Height is same for small triangle and also this triangle. So totally 10 parts area is 110, 10 parts area is 110, then they want only this part. What is 7 parts area? So 10 parts area is, this is multiplied by 11, this is also multiplied by 11. The answer is 77 square units. The answer is 77. In a triangle, from a vertex a line is drawn which meets the opposite side at D, then area is divided into base ratio because height is same for all. Similarly, in this triangle, if you draw a vertex here, then this line divide the base into 3:7. So area is also divided into 3:7. Okay. So first 308 divided into 14 parts. 14 parts area 308, 5 parts area is 110. And in this triangle, total 10 parts area is 110. What is 7 parts area? So that is the answer for this question. Very simple and logical question. Next one. In the given triangle PQR, S and T are 2 points on the sides PQ, PR respectively, such that PS is to SQ 3:4. This is 3x. This is 4x. PT is to TR 6:5. 6y. TR 5y. If area of STQR, this area is given as 177 square centimeters, then what is area of triangle PQR? The total area they want. Here I want to consider this angle as theta. Then if two sides and included angle are given, we can find the area of triangle, half AB sin theta. So area of triangle PST by area of triangle PQR is equal to how much? First I want to find like this. I want to consider the total area as A. Okay, then what we get here? This is nothing but half into 3x into 6y into sin theta. The total area is half into, the total length is 7x. Here the total length is 11y sin theta, because this angle is same for big triangle also. Here half cancel, x, y cancel, sin theta also cancel. Triangle PST by total area, I want to consider the total area as A, is equal to 3618 by 77 parts. 18 by 77. So what is triangle PST? 18A by 77. In the total area, this part is 18A by 77. Then what is a quadrilateral STQR is equal to total area minus this triangle area. Total area is A minus 18A by 77. Total area minus this triangle area gives this part area, which is equal to 177 already given. 77A minus 18A is nothing but 59A by 77 is equal to 177. So what is A? Just cross multiply 177 into 77 by 59. 59 3's cancel, I think. 3 7's 21. 3 7's 21 plus 2 23. So this is the area. A is nothing but area of triangle PQR. Answer is 231. Listen, this type of questions are very easy if you know the basic concept. This model not so easy. One question given in the previous examination, which is very difficult. based on the same concept. S divides in the ratio 3:4 and T divides in the ratio 6:5. So 3x, 4x, 6y, 5y, right like this. And area of this triangle is half AB sin theta, because theta is included angle. In the big triangle, the total is 7 parts, this is 11 parts, and this is theta. So area of triangle PQR is half into 7x into 11y into sin theta. So this is nothing but 18 by 77. P triangle PST area by total area. Total area is, I want to consider this as A. Just cross multiply, this PST is nothing but 18A by 77. So if you know this concept, the problem, so what is this part area, for example, if they want? Simple, not necessary to write all these things. 3 into 6, 18 by 7, add these two. 7, this is 11. 7 into 11, this is the area of this part, 18 by 77A. Product of these two by product of these two gives, because included angle is same, gives this area in terms of total area. This is 18 parts. This total is 77 parts out of A. 18 by 77, 18 by 77A. So what is this part? Total area minus this part. Total area is A minus 18A by 77 gives 177. So from this we can find A as a 237. If any other question given, I want to find directly this part in total part. Product of these two by product of these two gives area of this in terms of total area. If the total area is A, then this is nothing but 18 by 7 into 11. Okay, for example, there is a question like this. This is a triangle. Okay, and this is a line like this. This is 7 parts, this is 3 parts, this is 5 parts, this is 8 parts. What is the area of this part in the total area? If total area is A, then what is area of this part? 7 into 3, 21 by 7 into 3, 21 by total 12 into 11. This is the area of this part. Okay, total area is capital A. I want to use this concept for other problems if any question given like this. Okay, so this is about this question. Next, see, this question is also based on the previous concept. In the given figure, AE is to EB, AE is to EB 3 is to 2. This is 3x, this is 2x. AF is to FC 1 is to 5. This is y, this is 5y. BD is to DC 4 is to 3. This is 4z, this is 3z. 4 is to 3. Then find the ratio of area of EFCD, this area, to the area of triangle ABC, big triangle area. I want to find big triangle area is equal to A. I want to consider big triangle area as A. Then what is area of triangle? Area of triangle AEF based on the previous condition. This is nothing but 3 into 1 by total 5 into 6 A. Actual method is area of AEF by ABC, area of AEF by ABC is equal to half into 3x into y into sin A, this angle is A, by half into 5x into 6y into sin A. Sin A, y, x cancel, half cancel, 3 into 1, 3 by 5 into 6. Okay, if triangle ABC area is A, cross multiply. So a triangle AEF is equal to 3 by 5 into 6A. Okay, So this is the way, not necessary to write every time. Okay, I want to write directly here. So this can be written as, after cancellation, then what we get here, 3 to 6 cancel, this is a by 10. 3 2's cancel, 3 1's 3 2's cancel, a by 10. So this part is a by 10. Next I want to find this part. I want to consider this angle as B. What is a triangle BED? If this total area is A, okay, A, so what is which part of this? 2 into 4 by total 7 into 5. 7 into 5. This is nothing but 8a by 35. This is 8a by 35. This is total area. Then what is this area? Therefore, quadrilateral EFDC is equal to total area minus these two areas, that is a by 10 plus 8a by 35. LCM is 70. Okay, LCM is 70. 7 tens, 10 7, 7a. So this is 70a, sorry, minus 70a minus 7a minus 35 2's 2 16's, 16a. This is 23, 70 minus 23, 70 minus 23. We get 47. A by 70 is equal to quadrilateral EFDC. Therefore, what they want? Ratio of area of EFDC to the triangle ABC. Quadrilateral EFDC by triangle ABC is nothing but A, 47 by 70, because this is cross multiplied. We get EFDC by capital A is equal to 47 by 70. So answer is 47 is to 70 is the answer for this question. This part area is nothing but 3 into 1 by 5 into 6. We get A by 10. This part is total, in this total area, what is this part? 4 into 2 by this total 7 into 5, 35. Okay. The total area is A minus these two parts gives the area of this, nothing but 47A by 70, where A is the area of the big triangle. So just cross multiply area of quadrilateral by total area of the triangle is equal to 47 by 70, which is equal to 47 is to 70. Very good question. Okay, next one. So this is also same as the previous question. So actually this question is given in examination. Okay, I think type 2. In the given figure, PQR is a triangle and quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in it. QD 2 centimeters. QD is equal to 2 centimeters. QD, this is 2 centimeters. QC 5 centimeters. CR 3 centimeters. BR 4 centimeters. PB 6 centimeters. PA 5 centimeters. EAD 3 centimeters. Then what is the area of quadrilateral ABCD? We have to find the area of this part. So total area minus these triangles, these three triangles area gives area of this part. That's all. Listen. First I want to find the total area. Here 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. So this is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the sides are 10, 10, 8. What is area? 10, 10, 8. What is the area? If A, A are two equal sides, already I have given a concept here. A comma A are equal sides, but let B is the base. If you draw, it is divided into two parts because isosceles triangle. This is B by 2, this is also B by 2, and this is this height is nothing but root of A square minus B square by 4, which is equal to half root of 4A square minus B square. This is height. So area is nothing but half into base into height. Height is again half root of 4A square minus B square. So the formula for this is B by 4 under root of 4A square minus B square. This is already I have given in the isosceles triangle. Okay, otherwise we can write directly this is 10, this is 10, this is 8. Okay, then what is area of this part? See carefully, use either formula or directly. If this is 10, this is also 10, this is 8, so this part is 4. Okay, if this part is 4, 100 minus 16, what is height? 100 minus 16 is equal to 84, root of 84 is height. So area is equal to half into base is 8 into height is root of 84, so 2 root 21. 2 to cancel, so 8 root 21 is the area of the triangle PQR. So I want to write directly area is equal to 8 root 21. Okay, otherwise substitute in this 8 by 4 2, A square 100, 400 minus B square 64 under root. Okay, we get the answer as 8 root 20. B by 4 under root of 4A square minus B square are used like this. Okay, I want to erase. So we get the total area is 8 root 21. Okay, next. After finding the area, then what is area of this triangle PAB? Triangle PAB area is equal to, in the total area it is 5 into 6 by, this is 10 into 10, 10 into 10. Okay, so this is nothing but 5 2's cancel, 2 3's 2 5's cancel. What we get here? This is nothing but 3A by 10. This part is 3A by 10. If A is 8 root 21, substitution. I want to substitute after completion of this. Next, what is triangle RBC? Is nothing but, in total area it is 4 into 3 parts by, this is 8, this is 10, 8 into 10. 4 1's 4 2's cancel, this is 3A by 20. Next, what is a QDC part? QDC area. In the total area it is 5 into 2 by, this total is 8, this total is 10, 8 into 10. Okay, then what we get here? 5 2's 10 cancel, we get A by 8. This part is A by 8. So total area minus these three areas, this is the quadrilateral area. So therefore quadrilateral area is equal to A minus of 3A by 10 plus 3A by 20 plus A by 8. Then this is nothing but LCM is, what is LCM? 40. 40A minus 10 4's, 4 3's 12A, 2's 6A, 8 5's minus 5. Okay, this is nothing but 18 plus 5, 23A, 40 minus 23, 17a by 40 is a quadrilateral area, nothing but 17 by 40 into area is 8 root 21. 8 root 21. 8 1s 8 5's cancel. So this is nothing but 17 root 21 by 5 is the answer. 17 root 21 by 5. So this is the way of finding. Actually this is a previous question, please. Okay, understood? Find the area of this part related to total. If total area is A, this part is 5 into 6 by 10 into 10. Area of this part is equal to 3 into 4 by 8 into 10 in the total area. This area is nothing but 5 into 2 by 10 into 8. Then total area minus these three areas gives this area. To get that, first we have to find the total area. All the three sides are known. Find the area using root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c formula or isosceles triangle formula. Any formula, find the area, and after finding the area, substitute in the last, we get the answer. Okay, so this is about some questions related to triangles. Actually, in all these geometry topics, triangles are most important topic. Based on triangles only, quadrilateral questions and even circles. Generally, question related to circle should not be only question related to circle concepts. In this circle, some triangles, quadrilaterals are included, inserted. Okay, in the previous one question also there is a circle diameter given. So actually that is related to circles as well as the triangles. So triangles topic is most important. Basics always there in triangles. So read thoroughly the triangles concept and solve the questions. Okay, repeatedly. Okay, right. Thank you.